Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials now. Download the Android ISO and Rufus, then verify the ISO checksum so you don't flash corrupted media. Once done, insert an 8 GB or larger USB, back up its contents first, and format it FAT32 or XFAT for compatibility. You should also open the target computer's BIOS or UEFI and confirm USB boot is enabled. This saves time later. Make sure you have admin rights on your PC. Rufus needs them to write the bootloader. You now flash the image, run Rufus as administrator, pick your USB device, then load the Android ISO. Choose GPT for UEFI systems or MBR for legacy BIOS. Pick FAT32 for best compatibility, unless the ISO requires NTFS. Click Start and confirm any prompts. Rufus will create a bootable USB and write the bootloader. Keep an eye on the progress bar. Don't remove the drive mid-write. When Rufus shows Ready, safely eject, or proceed to the target machine's boot menu. You plug the USB into the target machine and use the boot menu to start from it. Choose Try or Install Android depending on whether you want live testing or a full install. During installation, follow prompts carefully and format the intended partition only, unless you want dual boot. After install, remove the USB and reboot to confirm Android loads. If boot fails, return to your PC. Check BIOS/UEFI boot order and secure boot state, and recreate the USB using Bailna Etcher or a different Rufus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.